And making the cut, Kim Kardashian into the finish line, and Little Piggy Smalls trailing second, Eggman and Little.
Just got some food I found. Here it goes. Alright, let's see if I can get the score. Awesome, let's try again. Ah. Is that it? I did it, yeah. I just gotta pull this to pull it back. There you go.
Really, Australia, for real?
Well, you're in front of me. You were supposed to go. Are you sure it's a start?
Yeah. This one's look over here.
Yeah, I was a little confused. Oh, I see where.
Take a right.
Yeah, I see where. I felt like speedrunning this already. This is also a Sesame Street Union Maze. I don't even know if they're sponsored or collaborated.
What are you trying to say?
What do you mean I'm trying to say? I've been recording here. I'd rather go on my own, even though I could be my own leader path. Are you trying to get into his mouth or what? To the Cookie Monster's mouth? Yeah, I know, but like you were going to live for this mouth, basically.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Drop the pumpkin! Oh, that's spinning! It was spinning all the way till it dropped. Drop the pumpkin! Boom! Boom! Double trouble! 360s everywhere! Drop the pumpkin! Boom! Watch out, pumpkin parts! One big boom from the pumpkin! Launch the pumpkins! We have the skull pumpkin in the zone! Watch out, double trouble! Watch your heads! Alright, watch your heads! Alright, wait for the candy to drop! Come on, baby! Baby!
Well, that is it for this year's La Union Maze. So thank you for visiting La Union Maze. Come again.